In this video, I'm going to give you a simple way to increase your sales on Kajabi, and that is through order bumps. An order bump is simply a checkbox that goes on your checkout page as someone is in the process of purchasing your course. They've entered their email address, they've entered their credit card, and then just before they hit purchase, there's a little box that they can check to say, yes, I want to add XYZ thing. And it typically is a low cost item that you add on as an order bump. And I have played around with this, done this for years, made a lot of money doing it. And I've learned a few things about how to make an order bump good and make it appealing to the people that are joining. If you are just joining me, this is day 23 of your first 30 days on Kajabi, where I'm helping you walk through the first 30 days that you're on Kajabi, so that you can get the best possible results on the platform. If you're not on Kajabi yet, you might as well use my link to join. You get 30 days for free. You get my course, the exclusive Kajabi Accelerator. You also get the masterclass, my exclusive masterclass, the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make that I discovered helping 400 people get their start. I've helped a lot of people get on Kajabi, and I talked to about 400 of them one-on-one, my first 400 people. And what I learned was that there's like 3 mistakes that if you just avoid these mistakes, you will succeed on the platform. That masterclass is yours. And my 25K course launch email template, all that is yours to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission at no additional cost to you. LaneSebring.com/Kajabi. All right. Here is my sales page that I used for a long time over at Preaching Donkey. This is Killer Sermons Academy. And if we go to the checkout page, it's going to bring up, this is my checkout page. We've looked at this in depth. This right here is the order bump. And then what you do is you go right here to build your order bump, and you decide kind of what is the copy that you're going to put in there. Here is where you actually select the product itself. And then down here, you can see that it says it was 67, add now for 47. That one change took this from being about a 20% to an 80% conversion. Here's what I mean. When I first put this on there, it was just 67 bucks, take it or leave it. And I got about 20% of people, 1 out of 5 people would say, yeah, I'll take it. I simply marked out the 67, lowered the price to 47, showed that difference, $20 difference, 1/3 reduction. And it took it from 20% of the time to 80%. So all of a sudden, 4 out of 5 people would take me up on it. So over here in the checkout page, this is what it looks like. And if we go to a preview, here's what it looks like on the actual checkout page. Add Storytelling Secrets Masterclass. In this action-packed course, discover how to leverage the power of storytelling in sermons. We explore in depth why you should tell stories, when and how to find, step-by-step process, must-dos. I just basically bullet out, like, here's what you're going to get. It needs to be enough where it's like at a glance, they can kind of like read through this and see like exactly what they're going to get. Plus, there's some Q&A bonus on storytelling. Regular price 67, add it now for 47. They just click that little button, yes. And then once their credit card information is in there, they just hit complete my purchase, and it takes the sale from $397 to $444. This happens over and over and over and over because of the order bump. Now, what makes a good order bump? A good order bump is typically low enough to be a impulse buy. Like, it needs to be something they can buy quickly. They don't have to think about it. That's why 47 is a good price point. Anything lower than that is also good, but it's something that they can easily buy. Think about when you are at the checkout at the store that you go to, Walmart, wherever you go, Target, and you're at the checkout and there's like gum, the gum's not 95 bucks. It's like $1.80 or $3.80 or something like that. Sure, it's a low price point. You can easily just grab the gum, throw it on there. Oh yeah, I want gum. I want a candy bar, whatever it is. And that's how you want to think about this. It needs to be low priced enough. And so if my course was only $100, my order bump would probably be lower. But because my course is $400, adding a $50 order bump is not that big of a deal. It just kind of makes sense. So think about it in terms of that. And then the content needs to be like a really good add-on. Like, think of it almost like something that would be a bonus on the course. So like, this course is all about how to preach better. And so adding a bonus on storytelling would be really good. But if you pull that bonus out and add it as an order bump, it also does really well. Other order bumps that I've seen work well is like checklist, maybe a workbook that goes along with the course, some type of like PDF that helps them take action on the course. Could be templates or swipe files. Anything like that can really, really complement the course and go a long way. So that's order bumps. Be sure to use them. By the way, if you want a full picture of how your business can fit together and how to make your first $1,000 a month in online business in your spare time, go to lanesebring.com/workshop. This is my Turn What You Know into Dough workshop, where I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 per month in passive income in your spare time. That's all at my free workshop that is on demand. You can watch it right now for free, lanesebring.com/workshop. I'll see you on Kajabi. Be sure to start your free trial, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 24.